Hello class, today we're going to learn how to derive a polynomial function. One thing I'd like to point out before we begin is that there are two different ways of writing a derivative. Sometimes it's f prime, and other times it's either dy over dx or dx over dy or d over dx. And this here is always the variable used in the formula. Okay, now that we've gotten that taken care of, we're going to go ahead and learn how to derive a polynomial function. Now these are fairly straightforward if you're good at multiplying, which I hope we all are. Alright, so we're going to take this exponent here, we're going to multiply it by this 5 in front. So that gives us 25. Now we're going to drop down the x and subtract 1 from this 5, which gives us 4. Drop down the addition symbol here. Then we're going to do the same exact process. Multiply this 2 by the 3, which gives us 6. And then x minus 1, which gives us 1. So technically it would be plus 1 up as the exponent, but we don't typically write that, so we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Now notice that we don't have an x here, so we're not going to be able to do this process. At this point, we would just cross out this whole variable. And this here is our answer. 25x to the 4th plus 6x. Alright, we'll go ahead and repeat this process as we did above. Alright, so we're going to take the 2 and multiply it by the 2 in front, which gives us 4. Then we're going to have an x minus 1, which gives us plus 1, which we don't typically write as mentioned in the above problem. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. We'll drop down this plus here. Now here, there's no exponent. So technically that would be a 1. 1 times 5 is 5, so we'll write that. 1 minus 1 is 0, so then that gets rid of the x. And then same process as above with the plus 7. Since there's no x or exponent, we'll go ahead and get rid of this minus 2. Leaving us with 4x plus 5. And this right here is our final answer. There we go. I hope you learned how to derive a polynomial function.